Ekwalo, it's Ekwalo.
Who is Ekwalo?
It's Ekwalo that sent me.
Ekwalo sent you to assassinate me.
Please, I'm sorry.
I am Anukele. I am untouchable. Nobody can destroy me. Whatever your name is, you send people to kill me. They didn't tell you my name is Anukele. They never told you. Nobody can destroy me. Nobody!
You raped my daughter.
Yes. I raped your daughter. I had a taste of your daughter. And now, I will rape your wife.
Hey!
Come here!
Hey,
follow me! Come here!
My husband! My husband! No! My husband! My husband! Don't allow him to take
Quiet!
me away!
Look at me!
You know, I'm a taste of you today. Please,
My husband! My husband! My husband! Come on!
Anukele! Ah! Yayabo!
Oh. The sad end of a very good man.
Ekwalo did not deserve to die like this.
He was a great man. He had courage, unlike all the other men in this community. Yes, you all are cowards. You are a coward though. Huh? Just like every other man in this community.
Nebeli, don't say that again.
I will say it too. I will say it. Ekwalo had the courage to send men after Anukele. But you other men in this community hide your faces just at the mention of that name Anukele. He is courageous.
What do you want people to do about it? Huh? Anukele has the strength of 10 men. No weapon pierces him. Enchantments doesn't work on him.
Cowards. Cowards, I call you again. Yes, I have been able to face him one-on-one. Yes, at least I have this beautiful gap in my teeth to show for it.
Anovia. Anyway,
call me whatever you want to call me, but at least it makes me finer. At least others have open teeth. I have gap.
You know, your wine.
Even I am disappointed. And I strongly believe that your father and his father are also disappointed. As the first son of this family, you are supposed to be a father to your brothers. And pursue, foster the peace and love in this family.
Nane Dalo, may the gods bless you.
Iveme.
Listen now.
Share your father's land with your brothers.
But I have 2 wives and 5 sons. I need more land.
Even you can need more lands as much as you want. But your father's land should be shared with your brothers. Take more wives if you like. Have more children. That is up to you. The point is, your sons have no share in your father's land. Your father's land belongs to you and your brothers. Listen to me. Go and buy lands for those sons you have. Go and buy lands for them. After all, sons are blessing.
Thank you, Inai. Since you are here already, it is better the lands are shared today, so that you and your son can bear witness of our boundaries. Bam.
Iveme, you heard what he said. Do you have objections?
No.
Good. All of you, you share the land, and that should be equally. We'll do that today.
You have been blessed with a son.
Thank you, number one.
May the gods be praised. Thank you.
I already heard the good news. May your journey be praised.
This one traveled fast.
Of course, Mama. Gozie is a nice man and well respected by the people too.
You're right. That's so true.
That's by the way, Mama. Oyama was here to see you earlier today, and I told him to return before sunset.
You did well, my daughter. Please get my food ready.
Okay, Mama.
Let me cleanse myself.
Okay.
Father, your nephews are happy now that the land has been shared and everything is sorted out. Iveme is a fool.
Yes, son. You see, your cousin was pressured into almost making a grievous, selfish decision that would have caused generational problems and enmity. Ogogwa.
Father.
No matter the pressure and situation you will find yourself in, always do the right thing.
Yes, Father.
Doing the right thing may not be the easiest option available, but I can assure you, always the best. Always remember this.
Yes, Father.
Amen.
Wabune, is this how we are going to continue living in this village?
Every week he will assault one wife or a daughter of this village.
Meluka, see, you are very correct because his excesses is becoming too unbearable. But what do you suggest we do? Tell me.
What do you suggest we do? You are his kinsman. You are from his kindred. So you talk to him.
Huh? Okay. I should talk to who? Wait. Are you insane? So this is your plan? You want him to beat me up so that when I die, you could change him? Is that what you want? I see. You're not a good man.
Wait, let me ask you a question. Why are you sounding like this? How many people from your kindred has he assaulted?
See, it has gotten to a point where I have to really tell you. You know the way to his house. You can equally go there, talk to him by yourself. I beg. I should go and talk to him.
Mabunne! Oh, Diego.
Anukele, kill me! Kill me so that the whole village will know you are a beast! Kill me!
Shade, I swear by the gods, if you hit me again, I will cut off your head and use it to drink palm wine.
What are you waiting for? Cut off my head! This is my head! Cut it off! Oh, you don't want to do it? Cut off my head! Anukele, what is wrong with you? Eh? A good man has died because of you! Are you caused? Are you the cause? Cut off my head now! Cut it off! Is this not my... Cut it off!
Shade, you are looking for trouble and you will receive it. You will receive that trouble, Shade. I am telling you. I will. Look, eh?
Kill me!
Come on, go to the hospital.
Kill me!
Come on,
Let me
get away from me.
Let me alone! Kill me! What is wrong with you, Anukele? What is wrong with you? Eh? My husband people look upon me with contempt. My children are looked upon with suspicion. What is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you doing this? Let me alone! Let me alone!
Get away from here.
Let me alone!
Come on, get away from here. Come on, go to the hospital. Get away from here.
Iwuno, don't tell me that nonsense. Mba.
It is not my fault. My yams did not do well. Even my cassava crops did not do well. Please, give me next season. I promise I will pay you back. Biko.
Iwuno, when you came to me last season and begged me to loan you some seedlings, you told me that you will pay me unfailingly this season, okay?
Yes, I did. But...
Hey, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! The terms of our agreement clearly states that if you fail to pay me in full this season, that you will give me one parcel of land. Is it not?
That was our agreement. But...
Hey, shut up! My question now to you is this. Are you ready to pay me in full now?
I don't have the money now.
Iwuzo, we have nothing further to discuss. Only that you will now go and show me a very good parcel of land that will become mine. I am coming tomorrow. so that you show me the parcel of land.
Iwuno. Why did you agree on such terms?
Ma Ezeji, I was desperate. I believed that the harvest of this season will favor me. But I don't know what happened to my crops.
But you should have come to me instead of going to Mabia.
Please, help me and beg him. I promise I will pay him next season. Please.
Hey. Anyway, I will give you the money to pay him so that you can have your land back.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
May the gods of our land prosper you.
You say?
Thank you so much.
I'll be my wife. You face it up. Thank you, my beautiful wife.
Now, I know it is good to help people, but why would you give Iwuno such a huge loan without any collateral or interest?
Obiama, my wife.
Nani.
When the land blesses a man, you become a blessing to others. Because in the end, you go back to the land with nothing. Can I enjoy this beautiful meal?
Nani.
Oh,
enjoy your food.
Let me offenka.
There is more in the pot. I am here to serve you, my husband. Enjoy yourself.
And after this one, you come and you want to love?
Nani.
Nothing to leave.
How? How? I thought you said you did not have money.
A man who has people is greater than a man who has only money. Count the money.
Obiozo, I did not know that you are this wealthy to loan him this amount of cowries.
My dear, did you say that I loaned him a cowries? Did you?
So if you did not lend him the money, why are you here?
I asked him to come with me as a witness that I have paid you in full. That's why he came with me.
What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say that I'm not an honorable man?
Mabia, don't misinterpret him. Please don't misunderstand him. Eh? He didn't say anything like that. Just count your money.
Hope it's complete.
It's complete.
Thank you. Obiozo, let's go.
Hey.
Did you see the shock on his face when you gave him that money?
He became a stammerer immediately and was like, how? How?
My brother. AZG is a very good man. He's a very good man.
Thank you so much for giving me the courage to go and meet him.
What are friends for? Eh? I told you. AZG was my savior. He gave my family and I the yam seedlings that we planted this season.
Wow.
Eh? My brother, Chugo Kibia me witness. Eh? Once the harvest is done, I will pay him back handsomely and even surprise him with a very fat goat as a sign of appreciation.
He deserves it.
He deserves it. He's a good man.
Let's go. Thank you so much.
No, what are
If not for you, what will I say? What will I do?
If I don't do it for you, who else will I do it for?
Thank you so much.
Pretty.
You are looking good. I can see you are coming back from the stream.
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Awele, please, can we talk?
My pot is heavy and I have to hurry home.
No. I won't take much of your time.
Are you sure?
Yes. Let me help you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Looking good.
Thank you.
What kept you?
I was talking to some friends.
Do not lie to me.
I'm sorry. I was talking to Uchenna.
First son of Ekunife.
Yes, no.
Awele, listen. You have no reason to lie to me. You know who I am. And you know who you are. If you do not know where you're going to, remember where you're coming from. Do not do anything that will bring shame to my name. Abumonyi Vita Aguleri.
I'm sorry, Nini.
You want something?
I want to talk to you.
Go ahead.
Nini, I'm sorry I lied to you earlier.
Awele, you do not have to lie to me. Always feel free to tell me anything.
Mother, you've always told me to remember that we are from Ivite Aguleri. But why haven't I gone home? I can't even remember the last time you traveled home. I have never been there. Why? Mother, is there anything you're not telling me?
Ivat! Ivat! Are you not the one I'm calling? Nai! Ivat! Nai!
Ivat! Ivat! Oh!
Nai! Ivat! Ivat!
Ihe kwuru ka ọ dị mma. Ihe a na-ekwu bụ ka ọ dị mma. Kedụkwana ihe a ga-eme? Okubale. I am sorry. I cannot help you. This is beyond me.
Balin, I was told that you are the best native doctor. Please, cure my daughter. I will pay anything. Please.
I am sorry. This is beyond me. I cannot handle this.
Nai, please. Please do something. My daughter cannot remain like this. Bikonu, do you rebukwam? Bikonu, Nai, Bikonu. Nai.
Greetings.
Greetings, Nai.
Onoma,
Nai.
how are you?
I'm fine, Nai.
I can see that both of you are doing greatly well.
All thanks to you, Ezeji. All thanks to you. My
Udo?
harvest will be plentiful this season.
Isa?
And who knows, I might even challenge you this year's biggest yam festival.
I press so. Hey.
Don't mind you.
Hey,
Don't
yeah.
mind me. I will
It
just
is okay, my dear.
Once the harvest is done, I'll come and repay my debt.
That is no problem. That is all right. I will be going to my farm to inspect my farms.
Okay.
Hmm? Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's very much.
Thank you.
Very well.
You're a very nice man.
Very nice man. Unoma! 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 Unoma, Lynn.
What happened?
Obim, all my yams are rotten. Lenu.
Hey!
Hi! Okay. Lenu. Gods of our land! Who have I offended? Oye can measure!
Husband! Husband! Who have we offended? Who?
Who have I offended? Eh?
My husband, I don't like what you're doing to yourself. You have refused to eat nor drink anything. Eh?
How can I eat? How can I eat? Last season was a disaster. Now this season, almost all my yams are rotten. All my yams are rotten. Eh? Obi, how can I repay his age? Kedu ka mmesi kwuo ya ụgwọ ya? Kedu ka mmesi kwuo eze eji ụgwọ ya? Kedu ka mmesi kwuo ya ụgwọ ya? Eh? What crime have I committed that the gods of our land have decided to punish me so? Onye ka m mejọrọ? Who have I offended? Onye ka m mejọrọ? Onye ka m mejọrọ?
My husband, I do not have answers to your questions. But what I know is that the fact that what you're doing will not solve anything. It will not solve anything.
Kedu ka mmesi kwuo ya ụgwọ ya? How am I going to repay his age? I gave him my words. How am I going to repay him? Eh?
My husband, you have to eat something first. Then we will think of a way to solve our problems. Bikonu. Bikonu. You have to eat first. Bikonu.
Now easy.
Sit down.
Now.
Your face is not looking bright. What is the problem?
Now easy. Birigwe, I brought this goat as a sign of appreciation. To appreciate you for all you've done for me and my family. And also to beg you. I don't know what happened. I can't repay you all I owe you. Because my yams are rotten. Please.
Hey! This is bad news. I don't know what to say.
Please, I can't repay you what I owe you now. I don't know. I'm pleading with you. Just give me more time to repay you.
Hey, Mama, what happened? Mama, what happened?
Why are you crying?
SAG rejected your proposal.
He didn't reject anything.
Eh? Huh? Then why did you return with the goat?
SAG said we need the goat more.
He said that?
Yes. As for the payment, he has given us 2 seasons.
2 seasons?
I'm telling you.
May the gods be praised.
You see...
My husband, this is what you want to kill yourself over. Eh?
Will you blame me? Huh?
So, are you going to eat something now?
Yes, I will eat.
So, what will I prepare for you?
My favorite.
Yeah. Hey!
I am sorry about what happened to you. And I am also sorry that both of you have not learned your lessons.
What is that supposed to mean?
You see, because I have a very strict policy in doing business and lending money, they say Mabia is bad, Mabia is wicked, Mabia is heartless, and you all keep running to the Savior. Now let me ask you this. What does he gain? What is his profit when he lends money or gives you yam seedlings for free without interest? How does he profit? Have you asked yourselves, why is it that none of the people he has ever helped have become wealthy? Think about it. And they say Mabia is the wicked one.
You know you are a very wicked man.
Yes.
Mabia, you are a very, very wicked man. You are bent on tarnishing a good man's image, right?
A good man's image?
Yes.
Did I mention anybody's name? Keep running to the Savior.
Very wicked man.
My husband, don't tell me you believe what Mabia said. Eh?
Obim, I don't know what to believe again. I'm just confused.
You don't know what to believe again. I'm disappointed at you. That you have to harbor such a thought against a man who have done nothing but be nice to us. A man who the villagers have testified that he's a very nice man. My husband, Ezeji, is a very nice man, and you know it. So why will you believe what Mabia said? Please, I'm begging you. Erase such thoughts from your mind. Fishaya, be doctor, Fishaya.
Obim, erased. I've erased it. Obim, erased.
Come here!
Come on, stay here. You want to come and help her? Huh? You're running. You. Come and beat me. I remember you. Have you forgotten what I did to you the other day? Maybe today you will receive a greater beating from me. Yes. You. You're not scared of me. I'm not killing you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Next time, try to be. Where are you? Come here! Come here! Where are you running to? Where are you running to? I am Anukere. All the parts in this kingdom belongs to me. I granted all the parts. You run nowhere.
You thief!
You!
Anukele!
May the gods strike you.
You will hear from me, Anukele.
Calling my name.
You will hear from me. You will hear from me, Anukele. You hear from me.
May the gods strike you.
You lazy drone. SAG, see, I have come to register my disappointment with you people. Huh? How can we have men like you in this village, yet Anukele keeps treating us as if we are nobody? Huh? I just saw Anukele drag away Obaga's daughter. If you continue in this silence, one day it will be your turn. Your turn. He might come here and drag your daughter or your wife. SAG, thank the gods. Thank the gods I am an only child. I don't have a sister. I'm not even married. So there's no one he can drag away from me. I'm just saying this. SAG, I am just saying this.
The gods are doing their works. It is we men that are not doing what we are meant to do. Nobody should leave this compound today.
We cannot leave this village. We cannot. What kind of nonsense is this? It's too bad. Huh? Every day, one person. Why am I just? If it is not you today, it will be you tomorrow.
Exactly.
Igbo is done. He will come for your wife. They will not talk.
Something must be done.
Something must be done. It is getting out of hand. Every day, one person.
It's high time we do something about Amuken.
No? Yes.
It's not only just being here, just making noise and saying we do. But you're not doing anything. Let's take action.
Something must be done this time. Something must be done. Something must be done. Don't worry. Not just talking. Something must be done. I am here in a minute with that.
My son that just spoke, you take the lead.
Mabia, why are you always hiding in the shadows?
Anukele the Great One. The man who has eyes in the back of his head. The man no mortal can kill. I greet you.
Mabia, I do not know you to be a praise singer. What are you doing here?
Anokele, you know, you've always left my wives and my daughters alone. And for that, I'm very grateful. A meeting was just held in the village square. The elders were discussing about your indiscretions and how you were terrorizing people.
Who? Who dare challenges Anukili? Who? Who amongst you? Ain't nobody like you. I will punish you until you beg me to end your life.
Please.
Woman, your husband just turned into a widow.
Please leave my husband, please.
Any of you that challenges me, did you just do that? You. You threw a stone at me. Your father, where is he? Come back here! Come back here!
Osimokwa azụka isi ọ na orimiri. Ọkwa okwu ekwusiri wee nwụọ iyi. Nsị a na ọchụ nwa ọkụkọ nwa ada. Ọjọọ mmụọ na abụọ na-agwa ọbara ụra. Nsị a na agbara abụ izu na ọmabụla nọ na nche. Ọsị m na ava abatala agụleri. Ọsị m na ọsaka ụsali ogwu magana. Ike ụsa agụ ya.
Mother. Seems like you woke up on the wrong side of the bed. You've been distant and have barely spoken to me since. What's the problem?
Awele, I had a bad dream. I saw myself standing somewhere, holding a staff in my hand and a machete in the other hand. The elements favored me, but I was angry and furious.
And what did the spirit say?
they are silent on it.
That's a new one. Bonne, you shouldn't be bothered. You said it yourself that the elements favored you. So it means that you will emerge victorious in whatever spiritual battle you will face.
Awole, my daughter, is now interpreting my vision.
Yes, I am your daughter. And maybe one day, you will call me Awele the Great Seer.
Awole.
Greetings in Nayokubani. Welcome. How are your parents? They are in good health. Yes, sit. There won't be need for that. My parents have decided that my marriage with your daughter, Ivia, to be no longer hold. So they asked me to come and inform you in person. No, I am sorry about that. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright. I'm sorry.
Now you are here. No.
Iruchi was here earlier.
Okay. He came to see her.
No. He has withdrawn his interest in our daughter.
Hey. Oh. A voice was telling me that it will come to this. But I kept praying to the gods to help us.
I've done everything possible and visited places I never dreamt of so that Ivato can be cured, all to no avail. I do not blame Idochie and his family. I would do same if I were in their place.
It has been a long time. Oh,
Obalemi, it has. It has.
Hey, I really appreciate the clients who sent to me to handle their cases.
Hey, Obalemi. That is nothing.
Hey.
See, I cannot handle everyone's problem. So what I do is, I refer some of them to people like you, who I can trust, and who I am sure that can handle their problems well.
That reminds me, there is this case I came upon. It's beyond my power.
What was it?
A young maiden with big problem. And I know that is a kind of challenge you would like to tackle.
Obalim, just go ahead. Tell me more about it.
Greetings. Greetings, Senior. Greetings, Senior.
You're welcome.
Is this the house of Okubale?
Yes.
I am Chioba from Invitagle. He is my son, Ogugua. We are here to see your husband.
Okay. You can have a seat. Let me call you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let us sit.
I'll be right back. Nai. Nayo.
careful. I will give you something to put on her bathing water. Untie her. Untie her and give her something to eat. Do that now while I speak with your husband.
Okay.
Let us go.
I exhausted all I had trying to cure her. I went through all the entire Olu and Igbo. All to no avail.
Okudale, your daughter has a strong and jealous spiritual husband. All this began because she was about to get married.
True.
But why didn't the others see this? Oh, the true ones saw it, okay, but not everyone can contend with it. The spirit is very difficult and dangerous. But never mind, I will handle it.
There, man. But, Chuba, what will it cost me?
Okubale. Okubakwana nego.
Ogbenye awale.
Ogbenye awale. But don't worry about the monetary involvement. Yes. I'll cure your daughter. When I cure your daughter, she will become my wife. Sit.
Nai, have I offended you in any way?
No. You have not.
Our marriage has been blessed with sons and daughters. And we are now grandparents. Though I am not in the position to tell you what to do, but Nani, marrying a girl with such huge spiritual problem into our family is not the best.
I'm happy you know that. I am so glad you know that. It is not in your place to tell me what to do. Besides, what you are talking about is a spiritual matter. Go and get my dinner ready.
Father, you called me.
Sit down, sit down. A palm wine tapper does not disclose everything he sees when he's on top of a palm tree. You are my first son, choosing to walk in my footsteps when I must have gone to be with my forefathers. If there's anything you don't understand about my work, you ask me. Don't go running to your mother. I am disappointed.
I am sorry, Father. It will not happen again.
You are still too young in spiritual matters. There are so much that you don't understand. Let it not happen again.
Yes, Father.
Annabelle, my friend.
Luchi.
Hi. Annabelle, calm down.
I wasn't expecting you.
I bring you good news.
What is it?
Anokele has traveled. So you can now come back home.
Are you sure?
Annabelle, I saw him myself. I saw him with my uncle while we went for fishing. He entered the canoe with a foreigner and they crossed the river.
Hi. Thank the gods. At least, finally my people can have peace.
Yes. See, everybody in the village is talking about you. They are talking about your bravery. Maidens will be eager to have you as their husband.
I cannot take a wife now, not while he's still alive. You want me to risk it so that he will come back one day and molest my wife? No, I will not pick a wife. I will not get married until he breathes no more.
Hey! Stop! What's wrong with you? Hey! What's wrong with two of you? What's wrong with two of you?
See you, eh? Hey!
What's wrong with you? Come here! Are you people mad? Are you insane?
Nah, she started this. Hey! Don't punch dirty fingers. Are you okay?
Oh,
are you normal?
Shut up! Let you put on. Oh! So I stepped out of my house and both of you decided to fight. You are fighting in my compound. You're not afraid to fight in my compound. Look, I don't want to know who is responsible for this. I don't want to know who started it. Before any of you will complain anything to me, you are going to get one fat cockerel each to tender an apology to me. Why couldn't you wait for me to come home before you started this nonsense? Go and get your cockerel. You go and get your cockerel. Go and, I said go and get it. Fight in my house again. Let me send you back to your fathers.
Nah, you called me.
Join me. Do you know why I am more angry at you?
No, nah.
You don't know. I am more angry with you because you pleasure me more. Your food is better. And you also pleasure me better. that is why I am angry at you. No matter what happens in this compound, you wait for me to come back and then you present it to me. If I find out that you are not responsible for the problem, I will handle it. Please, I don't want such a thing to repeat itself. What happened today, I do not want it to repeat itself again.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And later tonight, you will join me in my chamber. Okay. You can go.
Thank you, now.
Greetings. Greetings. You're welcome.
Okay.
We have accepted your proposal.
Oh, you have?
Yes.
That is good. That is good. Ezabo! No, go. Hi. Kelly. That is very good. Eh?
None.
This is Ivatu. Okay. She is under your care.
Okay, nice.
Take her inside. Okubale, no. Come over. Let us drink cola.
Thank you.
Lokelia.
Dalu.
Yeah. Okubale.
Dalu.
That is very good. Ogogwa. Ogogwa.
Must we continue living in fear? No one is willing to take the bold step and find a way to end this scourge of Amukele. If we persist, when good men do not.
Please! Woman! Your husband just turned into a widow!
Please leave my husband, please!
Any of you that challenges me! Did you just do that? You! You threw a stone at me. Your father! Where is he? Come back here! Come back here!
I would have been a dead man if enemy had not saved me.
Obi, I will be embarking on a journey. I will take Obi, I will be embarking on a journey. I will take you to your father's house. You remain there till I come back.
I don't understand what you're saying. What Johnny, my husband?
I need to put a stop to this nonsense. We cannot afford to be living in fear. I don't want to raise my children to live in fear.
My husband, you can't do this to me. I don't want to lose you.
But you almost lost me. You almost lost me.
See, my husband, it's not your duty to solve the problem of Anokli. It's not your duty.
Obim, it is my duty to protect you from Anokli and any danger.
Okay, see, my husband will come. Just move to my father's village. I remain there.
What kind of a man will I be? To live at my in-laws' house and even raise my children there. Oh, I'd rather die than be such a man.
No, you can't leave me.
Obim, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down. I need to do this. Someone has to stand up.
This year's harvest will be bountiful.
Yes, it is true. You are very correct. Because the size of yams I'm seeing shows that Mother Earth has really blessed our land.
My yams are big.
Yes, I agree. Your tubers of yam are big, but they cannot be compared to the size of my own tubers of yam. Look.
I am going to win this year's competition.
Let's
Good man. So you people have not heard?
Heard what?
About the yams.
Of course.
Thank you.
About what yams?
Where was I? What was I saying before? I said something.
You are saying something about yams.
Thank you. This is good. This is good. Yes, about the yam. SAG's yam are the biggest I've seen so far. They are fine. Add more. Go another one. I take my leave. Huh? I take my leave. My dear for one.
This drunk is going with our keg of wine.
I have to go.
Is a drunk? We'll buy another one.
Gịnị ka ọ na-agba ukwu ose abịa ihe nọ taa onye dị mbụrụkai mmadụ ka a na-agwa nwoke na-echere anya eze ji mbụ manwụ na-ete igboro na-abụ ikwikwi na-aga na ndị elu na-aga n'ụtụtụ na-aga n'elu mmụọ mba mụ na gị ya I am busy.
Oh, Meluka, you are here. What is this that I'm hearing, Meluka? Is it true?
Yes.
Hey! Hey! But what happened? I saw her yesterday. She was not sick. Huh?
It's really very sad.
Shimo.
She was found this morning
seems she went out to ease herself and collapsed and died. Just like that. Chai! Wait. At her age, Meluka, this thing is not ordinary. It is not ordinary at all.
But how's Mabia taking it?
My brother, he is still in shock. They are waiting for her kinsmen to come before they can bury her. I want to go home, eat breakfast, and then come back there.
That's a good one. Let me rush there. You will meet me there.
Yes. I'll be back.
Okay. Hey! Arun.
Why do you want to kill your co-wife?
Mother!
Shh! I'm talking to you, Mbeke. Listen, if anything happens to that woman or her children, you will suffer. The wrath of the gods will wipe your entire lineage and you will all die.
I do not know what you're talking about.
Really? You do not know what I'm talking about. Swear by the Ajana and die before sunset tomorrow. Be warned.
Mother! Mother! I have never seen you do this before.
And I have never done it before. But it seems like I was right there when she was planning her evil. This is unlike every other visions I've had in the past. Except the one I saw myself holding a staff.
It's alright. I understand. But mother, tell me what you see about my future. Tell me how many children I will have. Tell me how my husband will look like. Tell me who my husband will be. Tell me everything.
Awele, it does not work like that. I see what the spirits show.
Well, okay, tell me small. Just tell me small. Maybe tell me who my husband will be.
Pray.
Agogo. You don't have to go beyond this point. Make a fire here. And put the leaves as I instructed.
Yes, fine.
Make sure the fire does not go off, no matter what. Our lives depend on it.
Yes, fine.
Let us go. Let us go. Aka Chukwu dị n'arụ mana eke mana oye ibe iji bi ụwa ị ga-eme ya ibe ọdachi niile ibe mgbochi niile kwụrụ akwụ nyaka a na-akụchapụ nyaka a na-etichapụ etichalụ n'isi elue n'ọkpa etichalụ n'isi elue n'ọkpa nke imetalụ na-amara ama nke ebe metalụ bụ nne na nna na-amara ama ka a na-enuchapụ ọ kwado ngwa ọlụ Chukwu ka ị bụ. You are a vessel. The gods will have to work through you. You will fulfill that which you have come to do. Ọ kwado ngwa ọlụ Chukwu ka ị bụ. You are a vessel. The gods will have to work through you. You will fulfill that which you have come to do. N'ọkwado ngwa ọlụ Chukwu ka ị bụ. Mana eke, mana oye, mana afọ, mana nkwọ, ibe mgbochi niile, uke egbokopụghị, nse ka etufueghị. Ndị akala jetenu ka ọ pụta ibe.
Tomorrow we are going to carry out our final act.
Well, you and your men wait for signal from us
so that you attack from the left. Wenu. Good. You have to carry out the reinforcement and make sure their retreat is impossible. Idu.
You are going to lead our reinforcement and second wave. That's brilliant, Izaga.
Anukili and myself
will lead the attack. Brilliant. Izaga, I also have an idea. While Idu advances, all we need to do is stop their supply and poison their foodstuff. You know what they call me? Remind me. Otters in working. We'll make everything bitter for them. Tomorrow there will be no reason not to attack. We attack until we get to their camp and burn the camp down. And listen to me, you all.
Tomorrow we fight! And we burn down the camp! Are you with me?
I agree.
Are you with me? How about that? We shall not harm the children and the women. They are to be agreed. We shall spare every one of them that surrender and sell them to the white men in exchange for guns
Relax.
Juba, I do not know how to thank you. Who would have believed that my daughter would be well again after all she went through?
Thank you so much. May the gods continue to bless you for us.
Odeguchuba, what next?
I think she has to go with you. Take her along, go home with her. And my people and I will come in the next 3 days to your place so that we'll officially make her a member of my family. Eh?
That's very good. Yes. Thank you so much.
That is okay.
Okay.
Ogu bale. Ogu bale.
Eze Ngwo, are you seeing the difference? There is something about him. Eze Ngwo is too much.
Enebele, do you know you will make a lot of money selling this palm wine than drinking it yourself?
Ilochi, my friend, listen, let me tell you. What is the use of wealth if not to eat, drink, and enjoy yourself? You understand? See, listen, let me tell you, I'm enjoying myself.
Oh, Mabia.
He's a very bad man.
Enebele, watch your mouth.
Which tongue? With what? What should which tongue? You want to tell me you don't know him? Okay, if you are doubting me, call him now and ask him what killed his wife, Okunyalo. He knows. I'm telling you, he knows that man. Hey.
Enebele.
Yeah? You killed him.
Enebele. It is now I understand that the beating that Anokele gave to you did not only remove one of your teeth, but it scattered your brain. You are not understanding yourself.
Ilochi.
I am well.
Down to back. Go. Ilochi, get out. Ilochi, leave. You are here enjoying fresh palm wine from my abode, and you're talking about wickedness. Go to him. Go to that wicked man and tell him to give you palm wine. You cannot suck my liquor again. It is even bottomless. You have drank it finish. Go to him. Eulogy, leave. Get away.
You are my friend.
It is not possible. Don't fight me by one hand.
Mabia, how are you? I'm so sorry about the death of your wife. But you have to be careful.
I do not understand what you mean.
I know what you did. I know it was you that came to my house that night. But don't try it again. I am Ezeji 1.
Otazi, welcome. Otazi, hey! We won. You fought like the tiger that I People will always tell the story of your valor. Izaga, you fought well too.
It's always good fighting side by side with you.
Thank you.
Izaga, you have to pay me what you are owing me. so that I can return.
Anokili. You know what? You are going to join me in the next battle, so that I'll pay you double.
Izaga. No, my friend Izaga. I have a lot to do where I come from.
See, I have to leave for Agulori now before the rivers overflow their banks. Nice. But cheap too as well. Anokili, Kaladi, Kwajamele, Butasi, Wakemo. When once I don't see the Kukunaru, I don't think I'm one. I can't do a good ability, Kawago, Janaba, Anokili,
Father, I do not wish to get married to him. He is as old as you are.
Ivato, you should be grateful that you are alive and well. Do you know what we went through for your sake? Do you know what we suffered? People avoided us. And doesn't you know you are beloved? And his people withdrew their interest in you. I almost lost everything. Look, we had an agreement with Chuba and we will honor it. Woman, talk to your daughter.
You may not always get what you want. You may not remember what happened. You almost killed me.
But mother, I would never hurt you. And I would never hurt anyone.
But you did. Your father and I sold everything we have to save you. But nothing happened until Chuba showed up. See, we owe him our lives. Pico.
So this is true. You know, I couldn't believe it when I heard it. That's why I've come to see things for myself. And I'm glad you are well.
Yes, I'm glad I'm well.
You know what? My family will be happy. I can't wait to tell them to give us permission so we can proceed with our marriage.
Marriage? Yes. You abandoned me when I needed you the most.
No, I'm very sorry. It was not like I did it intentionally.
So what if the spirit returns again?
Yes. We can fight it together since there is cure.
And what if I attack you now? You do not deserve my love.
Why are you pursuing her? And you.
Thank you so much.
Quiet!
Thank you. Please take me with you. Please. Please, take me with you. Please.
Do not follow me. Go back. Go back!
Please. I'm begging, please. Please.
Why are you following me? Go back! If you follow me again, I will break your neck and feed your body to the white dogs to devour. Go back!
It is better I die in your hands than that of the slavers.
Go home. Do not follow me. Go! Now! Ilochi. Come here. Ilochi. Hey! I don't even have time for you today. I don't even have time for you today. Next time, when you see me, you run. And don't pretend as if you want to faint. Please. Nonsense.
Obreza, my good friend. Nduko. The situation in your village is a very sad one. Very sad one. How can one man hold an entire village hostage.
Nduke, that is why I have to take the pains of crossing the great river to come and meet you. I really need your help. I need to find a way to kill that man. If not, our village will remain a hostage. I really need your help.
I know of a place. Yes. A great seer. Yes. But I won't go with you. Why? Yes. I will only give you the direction. But before then, you have to rest.
Ndugwe, thank you very much. At least you've given me hope.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. My home is your home. Eh? Be comfortable.
Thank you. Greetings.
Orin we ya aga. Egbo ya ga mu ba birin.
Your soul is heavy, and the fire of your fury burns bright.
Great one. I'm Obiozo.
Ihoma no hi. Ibe hemi ni onu.
I know who you are. I know what you seek.
Can it be done?
Asalwe.
Oma no onu gbe. Omi ti enu. Oma nema ni evonu kere ma seti gbe. O we onu gbe na.
You seek to destroy the man which others have tried and failed.
Yes.
Oleti no kokwa. Enu. Emane ni ka ori etina. Ni managbon be de etina. O wo nu gbe.
He's a brave warrior, but very brutal. Fortified spiritually and physically.
Great one. Can he be killed?
Arisabe.
Oga logo. Sukwa. Eni mi ni ka o set yan.
I felt a strong presence when I went there to confirm myself. Whatever charm that is disturbing travelers or on that road is strong. Very potent charm. Very potent charm. The chiefs of that village have offered a huge financial reward for it, and many have tried and failed. I need your help on this.
I will think about it.
I know you are not moved by the financial reward when a case is presented. I need this. Because no one knows who the next victim may be. Yes. It may be someone very close to us.
Opalim, I said I would make my consultations.
Thank you.
I've noticed you pay more attention to her husband's work than you do to the house chores.
I'm sorry.
I'll help you prepare the supper.
Anokiri is not around.
So it's true. I heard the rumors, but I did not believe it. So I decided to come and see for myself. A woman living with my brother.
No. Is Anokiri your brother?
Yes. And if I may ask, where did he abduct you from?
Abduct? No. He saved me from the slavers. And I followed him.
Yay! You willingly followed my brother home. He did not abduct you. My dear, Anokele is my brother. But he is a beast. I'll advise you. If you know what is good for you, run! Run very far away from him, if it's possible. Did you hear what I just said? Run! For your life. Run away from him! I'm going.
Chiadi, where are you? Chiadi, what did you tell Akala? What nonsense was that?
The great Anokele came to my home. You clearly have affection for
I'm
that
asking
lady.
you a question. What did you tell Akala? What did you tell Akala?
You clearly like that maiden.
She's a slave. I just asked you a question. What did you tell Akala?
She's a slave, and you left your home to come to my house. When have you cared about what I say to you or about you? You have affection for that lady.
Chiadi, I am warning you. I just asked you a question. What did you tell Akala?
Wait. Since you came back from wherever you traveled to, you've not assaulted any lady or anyone in this village. My brother has affection for that lady.
Something is really wrong with you, Chiadi. For your father, you're my sister. I will slap the daylight out of you now. I don't have time for. Look, let me tell you, look. The next time you try this nonsense, I will slap the daylight out of you. Don't try it again. Don't try it again, Shadi. I am warning you. Do not stay out of my business.
What is it? Look at the vegetable I want to use to cook. Eh? clearly like the maiden. Stop pretending. Look at what he did now. Yeah? Don't know what is wrong with this, my brother. What are gonna do?
Hey, hey, hey! Come here, come here! Come here! Do you know that girl? Eh?
Yes, yes.
Where is her father's house? Where is her father's house? Where? You take me to her father's house. And if you don't, your brother, your sister, your father, and your mother will pay. Come here.
I'll show you.
Come here. Take me there.
I'll show you, please.
Take me to her house. Where? Which way?
This way.
Where is the place? Where?
Please, not you. Not you. This house.
Where?
This house. This house. This house.
Huh?
This house. This house.
Ah, come on, get away from here. Keep quiet here.
Father asked that you should get ready to live with us at sunrise tomorrow.
Okay. Ogugo,
Yes.
where are we going to?
I do not know. Just be ready.
I already feel its presence.
Are you okay? It seems your young wife is not well. We shouldn't have brought her here.
This is the spot. Ogogo.
Yes, Father.
I command you, reveal yourself now.
I did not know your new wife is a vessel. Very powerful one.
That is why you and others who tried to kill her failed. Obalem, go and tell the chiefs what you experienced, that they may do the needful.
Does she know who she is? What she can do? The energy she possesses, if harnessed and channeled properly, is enormous. The gods and the spirit can speak through her.
I know. Ogogo!
Yes, Father.
Hurry up. Let us go home. I'm hungry. I know all those, Oba. I know all those.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
No, it's alright. You did the right thing. Alright, let's go.
Do you want me to get you water to drink?
Yes, please. What is it, mother?
Agogo, I was not born yesterday.
I do not understand you, mother.
You think I have not noticed that you and Ivat have affection for each other?
Mother!
I am not blind. Isieboro, in the name of the gods, she is your father's wife. And it is a taboo to have anything to do with her.
I have not done anything with her.
Good. Let it stay that way. If I have noticed, how long do you think it will take your father to take notice?
Something is wrong.
What is it?
I can feel it. Something is wrong.
What is wrong with you?
Ogugwa, please come quickly. Come quickly. It's your father. It's your father.
Mama, please take care of her. I'm coming.
No. No.
What is wrong with you? If I to talk to me. Father! Father! Father, please wake up! Father! Father, please wake up! Father, please wake up! Please help! Father, please wake up! Father, please don't laugh! Please help me! Please help me! Father, please wake up!
Ogugwa.
It's okay.
Ogugwa, stand up. Ogugwa. Ogugwa, be a man. Be a man. Ogugwa, it's okay.
How will you wake up? You will wake up, you will wake up. No, you will wake up. Father,
Be a man, Ogugwa. Ogugwa. Ogugwa, it's okay.
He's going to wake up. He's going to wake up.
It's true. You are a man.
It's okay. Take heart, okay? It's okay. It's okay.
Dear Mama!
Yes. I need your help. cannot be at peace until I find out what exactly happened to my father.
You want to speak with him?
Yes. Will you help me?
We need to go to the spot where he died. But tradition forbids that I leave this house until after the mourning period.
I know what to do.
Search from the spot where my father was found.
Are you ready? Let's do this. Spirit of my father Chuba, please reveal yourself to me. Please reveal yourself.
I cannot feel his presence. A strong spirit reveals himself to you when it wants to, not when you want it to.
You have told me many stories of how you invited the spirits of our ancestors to talk to you. I have seen you invite and commune with them. You are grooming me to walk in your footsteps. Why have they not revealed themselves to me? The other time I tried to invite the spirit of our grandfather, but I failed.
Oh, you tried to commune with your grandfather? Son, your grandfather was a strong seer. A strong spirit reveals itself to you when it wants to, not when you want it to. Let us go.
Wopute.
Yes, Nai.
Drink.
Thank you, Nai.
Oh, finish it, finish it.
I should finish it.
Finish it. There's more where it came from. You see, this season's harvest has been bountiful. And my yams are huge. In fact, I see myself winning this season's yam competition.
I thank you.
Drink up. You see, when a man drinks wine, he speaks the truth, the inner desires of his heart, he says it. When a woman drinks wine, she opens up herself. Drink up, drink up.
No, the wine is very sweet.
Good. Drink up. Sit.
Thank you, Ma.
There's more wine here.
Thank you, Ma.
Hey!
No, what is that?
Nai!
Mother! Nai! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Nai, wake up! Please don't do this! Somebody help! Mother!
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
How can you say a thing like this? Somebody died and this is all you have to say.
What do you want me to say? You and I know that that man was a very bad man.
How do you know? Huh? I don't understand you.
What don't you understand, Ilochi? Huh? Ilochi, you know the truth. Say the truth so that you live long. Now keep shaking your head until it falls up, or better still, you remain like this.
Enebeli, it's your neck that will remain like that.
Go, my son.
Father, is that you?
Yes. You called me the other day. I heard you. But I wanted to teach you how to be more patient.
Father, what happened to you? Who is responsible for your death?
Somebody help! What happened to you? Somebody help me, help me! Nai! What happened to you? What is it? I don't know. Nai!
Thank you.
What happened to you?
I should have followed my instincts.
I will kill Nwabende with my bare hands.
My son, you Ezeabo, you were good to me. Our son has much to learn. Guide him. My son, take good care of yourself. Protect Ivatu.
Yvette.
Are you okay?
What's happened?
How are you preparing for this New Year's festival?
I'm not happy at all. I have no joy in me.
Why? Your yams did well. And you had a very good harvest.
Yes, I know my yams did well. And so did Mabia's too. Mabia was so happy and hopeful of winning this year's competition. Now where is he? Dead and buried, isn't it? And you want him to be happy.
Mabene, that is life for you. Death will come for us all. It's not a matter of if, but a matter of when. The question is, will we be found worthy to earn a seat in the hall of our forefathers? And let me tell you something. There is only one exit way in this Mother Earth, and that is death.
Your father's mourning period is over. What is your plans for your father's wife? She has no child and is not pregnant for him.
Have you spoken to her?
It's not in my place. Traditionally, you can take her as your first wife.
I know the tradition.
I know you have affection for each other and you are due to take a wife.
You sent for me.
Yes. You have mourned my father the way a wife should. You are no longer obligated to stay with us.
Do you want me to stay? I can stay if you want me to.
When my father spoke to me through you, he asked me to take care of you.
He did?
Yes.
Then he be your father. Take care of me.
No, you're welcome. Please, sit down. Awele. Tell him about that. No, no,
Naya Kunife, you're welcome once again. Biko, I was not expecting any visitor, but I have oranges if you don't mind.
Don't bother yourself. My son here told me that he saw something precious in your house.
Really?
And he wants to harvest it.
Really?
Yes, as tradition demands, we are meant to see the men of the family so that they can fix the date for the payment of the dowry. Do you have any male relative nearby?
No. Everything will be done in Aguleri, according to the tradition. Stop. Don't enjoy yourself. Oh. No man would want to marry a one-legged girl.
Ne, I won't enjoy myself. And even if I do, Uche loves me like that. He loves me.
You better stop.
He loves
you better
me.
stop deceiving yourself.
Leave me.
Anya na eliche kotu pro no elive. Okwe na anu.
Ne, I know. Leave me alone. Uche loves me like that. When are we going to Aguleri?
Very soon. I will send a message across to my brother to inform him that we are coming.
Ne, I'm so excited. Ne, I can't wait to visit home and see those beautiful places you've been telling me stories about. Ne, I'm so happy.
I know.
I don't think I can make it to the festival. I am not feeling so well.
What is wrong? Huh?
I feel dizzy and I'm very tired.
Obubu,
I think you have to go without us.
You have touched the tiger's tail. I will burn down this village. There will be no peace for anybody in this village until those who desecrated my home are brought to me. I am Anukili. People are here drinking. This is just the beginning. I will kill everyone in this village until those who desecrated my home are brought to. I swear by the gods, no one will ever have peace in this village.
Anokele
okay.
has never disrupted a village gathering before. Why now?
Go and ask him. Go and ask him.
Nebele. He said, Roima.
Hi.
You go and ask him.
Hi. He shot somebody. Did you see the person he shot?
No.
Ah.
I only had the gunshot and I saw him coming. Then, also, I took off.
You took off? You see that? You see what I'm saying? We are all cowards. Eh? Had it been we tackled this Anokili issue, by now this nonsense will not be happening. You see, you took off. You took off.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Please, protect my son. Hi. Nina. Mama, thank the gods you are alright. I heard what happened. Hi. It's time we rid ourselves of Anoki. His madness has never gotten to this level. Hey! I heard it was one of his kinsmen, Nwabenne, that he shot. Yes, Mama. We were there. The next thing we heard was, boom! Madada. Mama, when that happened, I thanked the gods that you and my wife did not follow me. Our gods, thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. Mama, is that the reason she suddenly became dizzy? Yes. Darling. Yeah. Yeah. Ma, I don't mean it. How would I joke with something? Yeah.
There, Jenny. Hey, see you, my sister. Okay, hey, Mama, hey, you're welcome. Oh, my daughter, you're welcome. Hey, can you hear me? I say I'm okay. Where is everyone? My wife went to the market, and I sent my children to my wife's people. Okay. I saw everybody leaving the village.
Anokele has threatened to kill a maiden each week until the people provide the killers of his girlfriend.
He has a girlfriend? Kambiakwa, you mean someone actually liked him?
My sister, it's a long story. Long story. Let's go to the back of this house. There's a shed there. Oh, why we can mount this house? Finally, the leaders of all the clans have agreed that we need to remove Anokele.
That is good. But the question is, how do we rid ourselves of this menace?
Guns can't kill him. Knives can't cut his skin. And I heard magic don't work on him. So how do we kill him?
How?
How can the elders be so foolish? Why would they want to reward Anokele?
See, Enebeli, they want to appease him so that we can live in peace in Aguleri.
Peace, you said. This is madness. You must be joking. A man who has been terrorizing the whole village when he was just a commoner like you and I. Now they want to make him king and give him 1/10 of every harvest. Ilochi, don't be surprised that one day you wake up and realize that he has taken over everything.
Enebeli, you are right, oh.
Cowards! You are all cowards. Listen, if they go through with this, then Aguleri will be known everywhere as land of cowards. To Fiakwa!
I am Enebeli. So I am now a coward too.
People of Aguleri, we all know why we are gathered here. Yes. If Anokele can carry and withstand the weight of a wooden hut that we are going to build on him, he will be made our supreme leader. Come forward.
Today you will see the strength of Anokele. We have only one Anokele in this kingdom. Ordained by the gods. Anokele!
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I will show you myself.
Yes. Anokele no gama.
Anokele, our new king.
Yes. Yes.
Uncle, Bonoku, move.
They have started.
Good. Let's begin. Once we enter this circle and bond by holding our hands, no one should leave the circle or break the bond, no matter what. Anukele, you shed the blood of your own people. I, Ubiozo, of Iwezu, Aguleri, ask the land of Aguleri to hold you where you lie.
You raped me and took my virginity. I, Ive Chimelu, of Enugu Aguleri, ask the land to hold you where you lie.
Anokili, I, Ogugwa of Ivita Aguleri, ask the land to hold you where you lie.
Anokili, I, Obalem of Aguleri, ask the land of Aguleri to hold you where you lie.
Light it!
Anokili set trap! Anokili set trap! Leave me alone! Anokili set trap! He set trap! Anokili set trap! Anokili what level?
Nani, Anukili is dead. Anukili is dead.
Are you sure?
I saw him. Anukili is dead. He was burnt by fire. We made it.
We did it.
Hey! Let's go.
My sister, now that things are back to normal, my family will be returning tomorrow.
That's good, my brother. Anokele held people in bondage for so many years. And he met a cruel end.
He got what he deserved. Yes. When will our visitors be coming? Because we need to prepare for them in earnest.
That's true. But you're yet to pick a convenient day so I can send words across to them.
Will the next affirmative day be okay by you?
It's okay by me if that's what you have chosen.
In that case, I will inform our kinsmen that you go for Umuada.
Okay.
Where is Unochi, my friend? At least come and hear a good news. Come and hear a good news. Every day should not be worry and trouble. Follow like this, worry. Go like this. Good news. Hey! Ilochi! Ilochi, my friend. Ilochi, welcome. You are welcome.
I can see you are in a very good mood now.
And if I tell you the good news, you will be in a good mood. Yes.
Oh, Mekweni. Ngwan, nyam good news.
Don't be in a hurry. Relax. So that when I give you the good news, you can sink it. Right. Have a taste of this first. So that if I give you good news, you comprehend it well. Ilochi, welcome.
I have tested it.
I am finally getting married.
Agua!
Ilochi! Agulori! Shout it! Scream out loud, let them hear. I am getting married.
Chelicha. Who is the lucky maiden?
Hey! Ilochi!
We are under attack.
Inside. I look for her.
Hey!
I will look for her.
Hey! Agulere nam.
Okechi. Kalibe meli ni wanda. Wanda go kuri kalibe meli no wali be meli. Wanda ngam. Wanda ngam wali be meli. Ah! Sima meli. Kalibe na meli. Hey! Alu abadu boy! Agulere akada ni boy! Ogeji wanda mu, obi abawa mu, obi abawa ni mu. Awele, meli nagebe la awele. Hey! Alu abadu boy! Agulere alu abadu. Ah! Aba maga nwa, abazi mane maga nwa. Awele nwa mu. Ah! Alu emewa. Onne ma alu emewa mu. Mama wuruwo. Mamu alu emewa ni mu. Ejuji ibazaka nwa. Ejuje. Ogechi wanna ge aka nwa. Alu emewa mu. Awele mali na gebele. Awele nwa mu.
They really dealt with us. So many wounded and dead. And many still missing. The people of Olu have never attacked us. Why now?
It is because the man they feared is dead.
Oh, Kwezioku! Hey!
Yes, Anukili may have been a senseless brute, but he was feared. Now that he is gone, they fear no one.
Hey! We are in trouble. Anyabanye go na so.
No, we are not in trouble. A meeting has been called. We will have to strategize and defend our land and our people.
Because of our land, yes.
Hey! Hey! Whoa! Hey! Hey! Ah! Oh, did I offend her? Oh, they can measure on you. Oh, they can lily. Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey! Agogo! Agogo amadi! Agogo amadi! Agogo amadi! Agogo amadi! Oi! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Ramunumau! Kasong mamunaba! Ewo! Gods of our land! Hey! Hey! Chibo! Agogo! Ah! Agogo! Agogo! Bobby! Let me join you. Leave me! Oh! Oh! It's
You don't know yourself.
Ah!
Nah, Ogo's death is not ordinary.
I agree.
He will be buried in a standing position.
anyone who has a hand in his death will not go scot-free.
I agree.
He will be dealt with.
Hey! Hey! The other day was my husband, and today is my son. Hey! Hey! Whoa! Oh! You people should let me go now. Agogo, answer your mother. Agogo, Zamoku. Agogo, Zamoku. Agogo, Zamoku. Zaneyoko. Agogo. Hey! The way you people are holding me. You're sickening. Leave me. Come and answer me. Agogo Zamoku.
What do you know about Goza's fight? Why do you want to know? Before we buried Ogogo, she had a vision. I felt it. She's very strong. I felt a very strong presence around her. Do you not know? It is clear Obiozo that left Aguilera, not the same Obiozo that returned to us. You are correct. She is a very powerful woman. She has a very vital role to play in the coming war. War? Which war? Obiozo! Which war? Huh?
I have a message from the gods. You will lead our people to battle and gain victory. If Aguilera goes to war without you, lives will be lost, and generation unborn will be condemned to slavery.
Tell your gods that I will not. I have nothing left to fight for.
But a woman led men to battle. If I did not know Yvette well, I would have dismissed her as mad.
Leave Aguleri with your family. I'm leaving once I'm done mourning my daughter.
The death of Awele is a big blow to this family. But do not dismiss the message. Go and consult the gods.
What gods? Tell me, what gods? Where were they? Where were they when my daughter was snatched from me? Where were the gods? Tell me! Let them lead their own battle. You are alive.
I am not your daughter.
What are you saying?
I take any form I want.
I can be your brother.
I can be whoever I want.
Why did you not protect my daughter? It was her destiny to die. And your destiny to take revenge against the warriors of Olu. So that none will ever invade this land again. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm very sorry.
Thank you.
Greetings, my elders.
I don't know.
Greetings. Darling, you're welcome. We wish to address the council.
Why? Ada, go ahead.
We will not wait for them to attack. We will meet them at Ugwada.
Mban! Mban! Loboda! Why can you? No, why you? Come on, why did you go? Silence! Go down. I've heard the prophecy. Some of you have heard it too.
Yes.
Now we must listen to Awada, the Juche, for her to tell us what to do next. Let's listen to her. Is it Jidani? There, man.
Ebe buloko soba wulo. Abuna Igbo yimba. Ebe buloko soba wulo. Abuna Igbo yimba. Ebe buloko soba wulo. Abuna Igbo yimba. Ebe buloko soba wulo. Abuna Igbo yimba.